Hey everyone, it's Brendan the Paleo Dude. I'm back with another Toys R Us toy hunt, and today I'm in Edmonton, so a change of scenery from the typical British Columbia stuff. What's really cool is, compared to what we see in like Langley and everything else, they have a load of the new Camp Cretaceous figures. Sadly I have them all, but if you take a look, they have the Tiger Raptor, which is really cool. This guy was featured in the Lost World 1997 film, which is pretty amazing that they decided to do a raptor based on that design. They also have the Pteranodons, you know, the guys based off the Telltale game. So those are pretty snazzy. I'm not sure the price, but I'm assuming like 12, 13. Sometimes they have them for 15. And they have the new and elusive Proceratosaurus and Saurus figure. There it is. And also Bumpy, wow. It's not really one you see that often either. They have a huge sale, half off on the human figures. So any Canadians up here can stock up on your mercenaries, do some customs and whatnot. And an oddity, I don't really see these guys around that much. They used to be out at Walmart, but now they've all but disappeared. Very interesting to see Grim and the new repaints. I love the new Triceratops too. They've got a lot of Tauros, quite a lot, and Nedry. Went down in price from like 40 to 25, that's good. And the Alberto and Sarco, repackaged of course, but that's really neat. And hiding away on the end here, we've got these Snap Squads, the new Bumpy and Grim. Bumpy came out in the earlier lineup as a shiny, and then some redos of the